In this video, I will show you how to create an accurate character bot in Character.AI. First, log into your account, then select the Create button here. You will see some text boxes and you need to fill them in. You can even add a custom voice to your character. You will need to click on this More Options to show the definition box, which will be important as it makes your character follow closely to their personalities. I have created a ChatGPT prompt that will help you fill in all the necessary details. The definition format is especially important in keeping your character consistent. I will leave the prompt in the video description. Copy the prompt, go to ChatGPT and paste it in. Wait for ChatGPT to verify the instructions. Then, for this example, I will use Hinata Hyuga as the character. ChatGPT will create the details for you. Once that is done, go back to Character.AI and input the name. Next, I want to upload Hinata's profile icon. Go to Google and type Hinata Hyuga. I will select this image, right-click, and save the image into my computer. Now, go back to Character.AI and upload the image by clicking on the profile icon. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the tagline and paste it in here. Then, copy the description and paste it in this box. As for the greetings, pick the one that you like. I will pick this as Hinata's greeting. You can allow dynamic greetings to make it more unique, but I will skip this. You can choose a voice now if you want, but I will skip it as well. For tags, I will choose 2 relevant ones here. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the definition parameters and paste it in the definition description box. I will keep the character definition and bot private in this example. Once you are done with these changes, click on the Create Character button. Here is a quick chat example with Hinata, and you can see how she interacts with me. Once the bot is created, you can find it on the left side tab in the main dashboard. Thanks for watching.